Okay, so now we have this put together. This is in essence a level 3 ALS Safariland holster. So we've added all the parts. So I got the hood put back on, right? We can see the chop guard is now in place. This one, if people wanted to leave it as a level 2, we could just simply put on the hood. Or if people also wanted the level 3, you see the thumb button in there. So again, the release would be 1 is down, 2 is forward, 3 is hitting the release with your thumb. Okay, so you see now it's retained until that extra one is done. So we could accomplish it by giving people the option of just adding these 2 extra little parts on. So the key here is when you talk to Safariland, what we want from them is the ability to purchase just the hood. So we want basically a price for 230 of these, and then we want the idea, well, I'm sorry, we'll have to take into account left hand as well. So we'll buy a portion of these and then a portion of these separately. Now the key is going to be this level 3, the thumb brake part. You just need to make sure you emphasize to them that you want the part number that they signify is HK-6. The HK-6 is the one that fits this the best. Okay, so that part is the part that's going to require some basically persuasion talking with them, is to make sure that they'll sell us just that part. Because I've tried with one of the vendors here in who we bought the holster from, who bought it through Safariland, and they tried giving me the song and dance about how that wouldn't fit in here because the holster itself is a different size. Well, BS, that thing fits just perfectly once I put that HK-6 ALS thumb release part number in there. So that's what you need to try finding from them, talking to them direct. We want that part, the HK-6 part number for the thumb brake or the ALS, and then the hood. Now, if they give you any questions, basically remember your paddle holster is where that part number came out of. So that paddle holster you have has the part number for the actual holster itself is right on the inside under there, if that thing will focus. Right? And so basically I can tell you it says 7390-593. So that's the whole holster itself, but the piece that I used in this holster came out of this one and it fit just perfectly in this one. So that's what your goal is here, is trying to identify those 2 parts, get me pricing, figure 200 right hands, 30 left hands of both of these, because they'll be different for obviously for the left side. So that's what I need. If you can, try getting that as soon as possible.